Hello friends, today we are going to make homemade healthy chicken sausages.
Let's start with half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon Tikhalal chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon Oregano Seasoning, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 1 chicken Maggi cube, 1 egg, and half kg of boneless chicken.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with today's recipe.
Now take boneless chicken in a bowl and add Tikhalal chili powder. Then add garlic powder, red chilli flakes, onion powder, ginger powder, oregano seasoning, chicken Maggi cube, corn flour, egg, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and half teaspoon salt. Now mix everything well. Now let's cover it and let the chicken marinate for an hour. Now take a mixer grinder and add the marinated chicken and grind it into smooth and fine paste. Take out the paste into a bowl. Now place a 10 to 15 inch piece of cling wrap and grease your palms with oil. Now take a spoonful portion and shape it into cylindrical. Place the chicken meat on the cling wrap. Now roll the cling wrap and gently tighten it. Tie a knot on one end of cling wrap and gently push the chicken meat from the other end and tie a knot on the other end. Cut extra part from both ends. Now take a vessel and heat 2 liters of water and gently add the sausages one by one. Now cover and let it boil for 25 to 30 minutes on high to medium flame. Turn off the flame and remove the sausages and let it cool. Now cut the knot from one end and push out the sausage from the other end. You can store into freezer up to 2 to 3 weeks and cook when needed. Now take a pan and heat oil for frying. Place the sausages gently one by one into the hot oil. And let it fry until it's golden brown from all the sides on high to medium heat. And our chicken sausage is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!